It's a new gooseneck kettle from Brewista. So, this is Gail from Seattle Coffee Gear, and this is the latest kid on the block when it comes to the Brewista products and gooseneck. This is a more than just a variable temperature one. Okay, right here we have the on-off button. You hit that and all the icons light up. This is if you just want to boil water, you hit that and it will bring it up to a boil. This is a timer for if you want to time your pour over or your tea or whatever it is you're brewing. This is, if you hit this and do a plus or a minus, you can change the temperature. This is the auto on, and you can have the programming have it come on at a certain time in the morning, and then it will also program, you can program the temperature. And then this is temperature in general right here. So those are how the buttons work on this. One other thing that makes it the artisan is you'll notice the wood accents. Now this is not real wood, this is accents. And this does come in different colors. We have white and black, and then the wood handle. It's if you had real wood, it's going to get compromised because of water and steam and all that. So that's kind of why it's not real. But it looks pretty good, doesn't it? The gooseneck, once we get this hot, I'm going to pour and see how it goes. I haven't actually used this yet. So let's just do a boil. And it's going to boil for us, and it says boil on the screen, the readout screen. And right now it's at 67 degrees, and it's going to start boiling it. But I won't bore you with all those details. We'll come back when it's all done. Okay, so it brought it up to a boil. I didn't time it. I'm going to say about 4 minutes or so for a full pot. And by the way, there's a min and a max line, and you can see them out here, or you can see them on the inside. And 30 ounces is the maximum that this holds. So let's see how she pours. That's what I'm curious about. I mean, it looks like it's going to be good. I want to see if I can get a nice little... Yeah, you can. Not bad. Or pour. So I would say this would be great for pour over. It's great for somebody that doesn't want to wait in the morning. It will actually come on for you and come up to the temperature you want. It has a lot of functionality. And it's great for tea because you can change the temperatures. So yeah, I think it's a winner chicken dinner. Brewista Artisan Gooseneck Kettle. There it is. Check it out on our website, and also comments down below, and any questions you might have, email us or give us a jingle, and or ask down below too. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we appreciate each and every one of you guys doing that. I like to look and see what the comments are, and I like to see how many new subscribers we have. I watch that stuff, so I'm looking for you. Thanks a lot for watching.